How you doing? Okay, so this is your Sarouk Magarian, antique Sarouk Persian. You remember I told you I sent you estimate for reweaving this hole. This is all dry rot, water damage. Somebody put a patch here in the past, you know. So we can reweave this. It will take 4 months, or we can just put a patch, make it stronger. It will take a week, and we bring it back to you. Also, your 100 years old rug needs to do overcut. You see, to reinforce it, the edges. Um, both sides needed. You see? Okay. Okay, here's your Sarouk Magarian. It's ready. We finished the reweave. You remember the corner? We did original reweave. There's no patch.
Diego, take padding inside the car too.
Okay,
Put it in his car, please.